While everybody's talking about ChatGPT, there is another AI that is blowing up the internet. So what I want you to do is go on Discord and have a look at this. It's called Midjourney bot. Okay, this Midjourney bot is incredible. Instead of having language and being able to ask it to write a script, you literally type in, you put /imagine, it will prompt a button, and then you type in anything you want to have an image for. Now, this won't do letters or words, it will make you an image. So let's put girl sat on a bench holding a pumpkin. Okay, super easy, and send it. It tells you the command is waiting to be processed, and usually less than 1 minute, your picture will be made. This is how incredible. You can actually add your own pictures on here, guys, if you want. You just have to set it on a Discord link, okay? And it can change you into an AI. It's ridiculous how powerful this is. It's a Discord bot. All you got to do is type in Midjourney. The links will be down below, okay? And go on this and have a look. So we're waiting for our girl holding a pumpkin here, okay? Once it comes up, it'll highlight the message for you and tag you so you don't ever miss it. You can go away and just come straight back. Real easy, guys. And you can put in anything you want. You can use real life celebrities. It'll make a cartoon version of them. Here we go. So it's highlighted me. There's a girl sat on a bench with a pumpkin. Look how incredible that is. It's done in less than a minute and made this image. You can use this for anything you like. Like and follow for more how-to videos.